In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Amazon discount codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Amazon promo code. Right here, you should be able to find this website, which is couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have plenty of offers that we can choose from. For example, if I want to get this 50% of my next order, all I have to do is select your coupon code right here. And this is our discount code that we can use on our next purchase in order to get that discount. So going back to our search right here, we also have this website which is simply codes.com that also has a list of different type of promo codes that we can use. And for example, if I want to get this one with 50% off, all I have to do is select this code right here and then copy this code and use it on my next purchase to get that discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.